unbox it. Let's unbox it. So guys, it's time for magic time, or short for Genie magic. So let's do it. Magic, 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 and wow! Aladdin, Jasmine, Genie! Yay! Here. Okay guys, this is the Aladdin action figure. I like this so much because of this boot, and I like this jacket and this hat, and the eyelashes are more like mine. This color is like mine. This is my hair. The apple same like you.
Who's same like Anne? Abu is look same like
Philip. Give me 3 wishes. Hey guys, do you know who is Aladdin? He is a kind thief who is Jasmine, the princess of Agrabah. With the help of Genie, when Jafar, the Grand Vizier, tried to usurp the king, Jasmine, Aladdin and Genie must stop him from succeeding. Jasmine is the daughter of the Sultan of Agrabah, residing in the kingdom's lavished palace alongside her father and loyal pet tiger Raja, whom she found several years before the events of the film.
who do you like most?
I like Aladdin. I like Jasmine and Genie. Obviously, she like Jasmine. Obviously, everybody knows that. Da-da-dan, dan-dan, da-da-dan. Yes, guys, we're going to talk about the Genie. For a start, the Genie is, in effect, a slave. He's bound to a life of servitude and has spent at least 10,000 years in a lamp, serving who knows how many masters. This Jasmine figurine is very beautiful and well carved, and it's very great. I like it so much, and it has leg joints and also arm joints, and the shoes are sparkling, and the dress is pink. The hair is black, and I like the black texture, like black, like marble-ish color. And the necklace is like have rubies and diamonds. Kavisha liked this doll so much, guys, and the doll just looked like her, and the eyes just look like her, so it's very pretty. I hope Kavisha will like it so much. Guys, I like this figurine so much. I like the hair and also the face, so handsome, and also the jacket and also the shirt. It looks pretty, and the pants also it's very nice. I like it so much, and the Abu, it's very cute, and say I like it so much. This figurine is so great. I like it. Hey guys, like our video and subscribe. Thank you.